Hey, what's up, YouTube? It is Final Preview Man here, and today we will be teaching you how to make a homemade mud jug. Yes, finally. The finished product will look something like this, or since we're using this type of bottle, something like this. So you just spit into it. So what you'll need is you'll need a water bottle, a knife, and some duct tape. So here's what you do. Open your knife, and see this first line here? Stab it in. Cut along the first line. Okay, so take the cap off. Just like that. See? It's just sitting in there. Then you take some of your duct tape. And then you just wrap it around, like so. Like so. And then if you don't want to see your spit like I don't, you just wrap it all the way down, but just leave the bottom. Or if you're, I'm just giving you a suggestion, if your parents eat fish oil, you can use the fish oil with one of these real closable tabs. So watch, it's open, it will spill. It won't spill now, as long as you don't have the cap, as long as you have the cap on very tight. Alright, so thanks, YouTube. I'll be uploading some more videos soon. So, yep, see you, bye.